Hello everyone, today we're going to make some potato bhajis. So let's get started. Take a mixing bowl, add 2 medium onions and 2 chilies. We're going to add a little bit of ginger. And we're going to add 3 medium potatoes peeled and chopped into tiny pieces as well. 300 grams of gram flour, 100 grams of rice flour, 5 grams of baking soda. And if you want chili, you can add this or you don't have to. But I'm going to put 1 spoon of chili. Now add 1 teaspoon of salt. And we're going to make this into a thick consistency. So add 300 milliliters of water. And we're going to mix this really well. Sometimes you might need a little bit more water and a little bit of gram flour, which is okay, but make sure there is no lumps in the mix. Heat up a pan, add some oil. Now scoop up the mix and pour it into the hot oil and put the flame in medium heat. Once it's cooked, it will be golden in color. That's it guys. Take it out and eat it with some sweet chili sauce or some chutneys. Thank you for watching. Check out my other videos as well.